What's up? I hope everyone's doing good. My desk has been in disarray for quite some time now. So when I had a chance to check out the Beiz organizer, I jumped on it. Today we're taking a look at the blue organizer, which comes with 1 drawer and 5 file racks. It is made from steel. It also comes in other colors like brown, black, and gold. This one does have some weight to it. The documentation says that it weighs about 4 pounds. Now let's take a closer look. There are some assembly required, but it should be not too hard. And now let's check it out. I love the finish. It looks like it's powder coated. Yeah, that's powder coat. That's the back. This is the front. Move the drawer. On some more plastic. This out. Okay. There are some instructions. They seem to be very simple to follow. Okay. This is the drawer right here. These are the feet. I believe these are the drawer separators. Let's get them in. Okay. There we go. Now they in correctly. That's pretty easy. Now let's put in this second one. All right. The drawer is together. Let's get it out the way. Let's move this. Here are the separators. I'm sorry, not separators, the file racks. Let's get these apart. One. And that's 2 and 3. Let's set these to the side for a second. Let's get this back into frame. There we go. So you can see what I'm doing. Let's get the file racks installed. Seem like they just clamp on, and you got these balls here to keep them equal distance from each other. Get them into position. Okay, that was easy. Okay, that's what we got here. Now for the drawer, slide that in. What I tell you, extremely easy, has a good finish to it. Keep your desk organized, paperwork. Yeah. Whoop. There we go. Don't want to be too rough with it. Let's put on the feet real quick. And that slides relatively easily. Let's get this thing turned up. And let's add the feet. Way this look, it goes this way. One at each end. There we go. This is very nice. 3-compartment drawer for your things, pens, pencils, calculator, notepads. Go right in there. And your paper, you could and bills or whatever you want to do with these racks. Paper that's going in. Damn, not too shabby. Looks good. This will be a permanent fixture on my desk. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If so, subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if you feel that this video is not quite up to par, just like this video, leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I really would like to hear from you. Also, you can follow me on the social medias. The links are in the description.